Hello everyone, this is day 76 of my growth journal. Today is 23rd of April 2026 and I didn't write today, right till now. I didn't write anything. And yesterday night I go with reading comprehension. And that was amazing experience with Claude. I will share it with you soon. Before that, what I did today, let's discuss about it. I go and listen something on YouTube, which was mostly on psychology, and I didn't get much on it. I will just have used. I will use Gemini to get more information of that video from what to learn from that video because the video was very interesting and very informative. I can learn a lot from that video about psychology and everything. Few of the things I heard that some effects like marshmallow effects and other they are I forget it right now, but there are a lot of effects and things with psychology. I know that and lot of thing was interesting and informative, but I didn't get it uh, much because of I think the content is going very speed. The speed of the content was very fast. That was the reason of not getting it. So I will try to make this on the reading part of today's, and I read on 48 laws of power, and I read fourth law of power, which is silent. The less you speak, the more power you get. And the, I just read around 2 pages of it, and that was amazing. The author mentions about few stories of a king and everyone a lot. So that was, as you know, I agree on that part before I start reading that law. So let me share you what I did with Claude on your screen right now. Claude chat, and I start this conversation with Claude, and I just ask Claude to share something to read, and here it is what Claude share me to read. Then I ask Claude to analyze every question paper of past year CAT from 2000 from 2017 to 2025 from CrackU and 2IM every website of it, and it take lot of time to analyze every question because it's been 9 years, and the questions would be around 500 questions. So here it is. The best part about Claude was it was more intelligent than ChatGPT and Gemini, and get what I want very well. This is what Claude create for me. When I click this, it was a website developed by Claude for me to practice reading comprehensions. That was amazing. I got impressed, but that website was not working. I was not a technical person, so I just leave it and start practicing my reading comprehension from here. I just give Claude a role of VARC mentor. The topic was the nature of moral progress. I didn't get the passage a lot because you can pause and read first. I didn't get the passage a lot because I don't know why, but the questions were very easy. The passage is basically on psychology. No, not philosophy. The passage on philosophy and was slightly difficult to understand. This is the first question. You can pause, read, and give the answer according to you. Then at last you can check it out. What was the correct answer? This is the question number 2. It is an inference based question. This is the third question based on author tone and view mentioned in the passage. If you read the passage, you are able to get what author want to convey. This is a vocabulary in the context based question. I think from past few days, past few years, it was not coming in cat. This is what I just said to Claude, that I will give you reason why I am selecting the option. You should analyze every detail what I will share it with you. So this is how Claude gave me your task. Reply with your answer like this. Question number 1, this is the option because your reason. This is the best thing what I get from it. If you want to see my, let me show you what I just gave to Claude. You can pause and read. I'm not going to tell you everything about what I share information with Claude, but I just let me share you the question number first. What I did was main idea. I wrote the question first, then eliminating the option A. The reason why, because it is distorted or out of context. Option C, because it's too narrow. Then I was confused in two option, which is B and D, but I will go with option B because of this statement in paragraph 3. This is how I answered question number 2, then the question number 3 and question number 4. If you want to read what was the reason behind my answers and everything, you can pause and read. Then here I mentioned something about what I feel about the passage and the question what Claude just shared with me. The Claude mentioned how much I score. I made all 4 questions correct. I scored 12 on 12. Accuracy was 100%, no negative marking. Here is the answer key of Claude why the solution of the question was correct, and analyze my performance as a mentor. This is the question number 2. This one is a question number 3. Your reason, then mentor analysis. That's why I love Claude, because he just get me what result I want. He just show me what I want exactly, and the way it presents data was excellent. The score, he himself get that +3 for every correct question and -1 for every wrong answer. I didn't mention anything about scoring me +3 and -1, but he get it. Then this is the super analysis of where I was correct and not, where I was strong, where to improve. Then your mentor tip for next passage. I love the thing Claude. I believe Claude was ahead of ChatGPT and Gemini now, because I was getting the precise answer what I want from him. Everything was clear and everything was nice. And I just want to go with second passage of the day, but I just get lost my access for Claude, because it sets a timer from 11:30 p.m. for today. So I just got banned for 24 hours to use Claude because I have just free access of Claude, not the pro version of Claude. This is what I have done with Claude. I hope you enjoy what I just how I show you the Claude and everything, how I use AI Claude and share all the experience with you. I hope you like it. So do like my video, do subscribe my channel if you want such informative video on how to use this Claude for your examination purpose. I'm disclosing it right now. I was preparing for CAT, and that's why I go with Claude for analyzing past year questions for uh, every past year questions of CAT 2017 to 2025. And here is what I get. It was very precise and everything what I need from an AI. I just love this right now, but I don't know, maybe in future it get stuck with this chat and everything. Maybe the improvement of another AI tool will be more intelligent than this. We will move to that one also. This is how I spend my day with AI, with reading and with listening. Thanks for watching. I'm the best. I'm the best and I'm the best. If I'm not, I will be the best. Hope you are liking the video. Hope you are enjoying my journey with learning English. Till then, take care. Bye bye. See you in the next video.